Hey ladies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to shrink your dome cap if it is too big for your head. The items you're going to need are your spandex dome cap. A regular one is fine. I just have this jumbo one because I bought the wrong one. Scissors or shears, either one is fine. And then of course your needle and thread. Alright, so your first step is going to be, of course, pulling your wig cap out of the packaging like so. And then we're just going to go ahead and put it on. Now, once you put it on, you want to make sure it's to your liking and where it should be. And then once you have it in position, we are going to take the top, and you see all of this excess cap. We don't want this. You're just going to cut. You're just going to cut all of the sagginess off. Okay, now that we've cut it, don't worry. I know it looks crazy. What we're going to do is put it on our wig head, and we're going to sew this together. Okay, and right here, this little piece that I'm tugging on, I'm actually going to cut that because it's just extra unnecessary cap that we don't need. And then I did end up going in on the right side and cutting off the extra flap as well. Okay, ladies, now that we're done sewing, what you want to do is take your finished product and just make sure it fits on your head correctly. You want to make sure it's nice and snug on your edge line, behind your ears, and on the nape of your neck. And then if you don't want this part that we just sewn on the top of your head, what you can do is turn it around and put it to the back of your head. That way it's not making your wig bulky. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.